41 years ago, we made a commitment to love one another in sickness and in health. 41 years on, we're still looking after each other. A normal couple, married in the 70s, brought up two beautiful children and seen them both achieve great things, and now we have the most wonderful grandchildren to share everything with. But 12 years ago, our health changed our lives forever. A triple heart bypass was needed for me to carry on my life with Ray. Ray supported me and looked after me without being asked if he could cope. 3 years later, Ray was diagnosed with spine issues, with discs pressing on his nerve ends, and needed surgery urgently. I supported Ray and looked after him again without being asked, could I cope? The next hurdle nobody could understand or even begin to know: how we would cope the devastating news I had cancer. The family were blown away with every emotion that was possible. But again, after surgery, grueling treatment for a month at Velindre, Ray looked after me and supported me through the worst and darkest days anyone can imagine. Surely we thought, this is now more than one couple could cope with. But further complications came when I was rushed in with breathing difficulties. Asthma was diagnosed this time. We both agreed, whatever hit us, we would look after each other. Ray is almost 95% deaf and has severe arthritis in his hands, shoulders and toes. Nothing can be done for this. But yet again, we've been tested this year. In June, I had a heart attack, but being the positive person I am going to read this as a warning to slow down and rest. You can never stop worrying, but Ray will help me to gain my strength again. We've still got a lot to do together. We don't have a bucket list, but we do have each other. We just look after each other every day and hope and pray we will have many more good times, special times, and be able to see the most precious gift of our grandchildren growing up to be everything they wish for.